In many countries, both men and women need to work full-time. Therefore, some people think men and women should share household tasks equally. To what extent do you agree or disagree? There might be contentious debates regarding the issue of whether it is necessary for the male and the female to share household chores equally or not. The opponent might disagree with my stand. However, I strongly believe that men also need to be responsible for doing house chores. In this regard, I will write this essay concerning my opinions. Firstly, nowadays, men and women are equal in their relationship. In the past, many societies used to be affected by patriarchy. Women were discriminated in their social life, and women's working in the society was usually prohibited, and they were compelled to take charge of house chores at home. However, nowadays, the discrimination against women has disappeared, and their participation into the society is allowed freely. Under those circumstances, if only women should take care of the housework, they cannot do their work efficiently, and it can be the discrimination against women. Thus, men also should care about housework equally as women do. Secondly, the inequality between men and women can make children have the prejudice. In general, it is natural for children to learn from their parents, and imitating and mimicking parents are the main sources for them to learn. Thus, if children observe that only their mother does housework and their father are exempted, children will have biased thoughts about men's roles and women's roles in a family, and the problem is that, when they grow into adults and get married, these prejudices will obstruct their normal marriage life. Thus, through showing their children equally divided housework, parents should make children not have prejudiced ideas. To recapitulate, I firmly argue that both men and women equally should be responsible for doing the housework.